Alright, what's up guys? Today we're gonna learn a new type of, math equations, alright? So, remember factors, alright? We have normal factors, decimal factors, percentage factors. So, today we're gonna go with a normal factor, alright? Alright? Today we're gonna learn how to calculate a factor into a singular digit. Alright? Alright, so I'll give you a math problem and I'll show you how to do it, right? These are steps that you need to follow, or else you'll end up like the tower should 9/11, they collapse. Let's say 9, and then 3, 2. So, 2, 3. Obviously it's 9 equals 9, right? But now x. What does 2 and 3 have to multiply with if you want to get 9? So here's where trick parts come in, alright? To find x, it's honestly very simple actually. Like in normal math, 2x, 3x equals 9, then you must take this number and divide it with the number, alright, with the factor. So 9 divided by 2/3, alright? So hold up, let me just adjust the camera so you can see. Alright. So 2/3. And we all know when you multiply this factor, you just make it into a multiplication problem and flip the denominator and numerator. So now it's 9 times 3, 2. And 9, you can just write it as this instead to make it easier. And then you get this 27 on 2. So that's your answer, 27 on 2. So yeah, the math is very, hard. But you'll get the grip of it if you keep doing it. I'll give you one more math problem so you can take the hand, its complexity. How about this? This is much easier. Tell me what A equals. So we all know this is the denominator, A is the numerator, and 12 is what equals, alright? So 12, if you change into a factor, then it would equal 3 times 12 for the numerator. So 3 times 12, you get 36. So your obvious answer would be 36 on 3. And to turn 12, you divide by 3, and you get 12 on 1, which is equal to 12, alright? So now that we got that out of the way, we're going to learn how to do this, alright? So let's say you have 50. 50 equals 22%. 50 equals 20% of x. So tell me, what is x? So x, it's, very difficult. So this is new, alright, because you have to do something here, alright? Let's just erase this. To find the whole number, you have to take the part which is 50 and divide it by 22. And for 50 divided by 22, 50 divided by 22, you'll get, hold up, let me just do something real quick. So alright, after careful consideration and calculating 50 divided by 22%, alright, percent, not 22%. And with that, you'll get an answer of 250, alright. The steps are not necessary, you need to, calculate like a normal number on your calculator or perhaps on your phone or something, because I don't know any of you, alright, you might have a phone in there. And now I'll give you an easier one, alright, with a normal digit, 25%. Much easier, alright? But the number is 4.32. 4.32 is 25% of B, perhaps. So find B. So it's very simple. Just multiply with 4, because 25%, that's 1/4, and multiplying with 4 will give you 100%. So 4.32 times 4, you get 17 17.28, and B equals 17.28. So these are a little more complex here. Alright, so now let's go on with a new, a decimal percentage. A decimal percentage is a lot harder to work. Say you have a 0.75%. Alright? Not even 1%. 0.75. And it equals 2. So now they want you to find 75%. What is 75% of x? So it's very simple actually to do this one specific math problem, because 0.75 you just simply have to multiply it with 100, giving you 75. But multiplying it now would be 200. So 75% equals 200. And 75% of x is 200. Take divided by 4, you get 50. So 100% would equal 250. All right. So yeah, when it boils down, it's honestly not too hard, unless you're one of those knuckleheads who have never done math before and have relied on someone to do it for you.